What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where I did not expect this today. Ferrari has unveiled its 296 GT3. Yes, these are the first images of the new model from 2023 that will replace the 488 GT3 EVO on the track. Now, for Ferrari, motorsport does not only mean Formula One. In other categories of motorsport, the car manufacturer of the prancing horse collects titles and victories in the GT3 category and has always been a great showcase for its cars. Now, with this in mind, Ferrari is already working on a successor to its Ferrari 488 GT3 EVO model, and this will represent the brand in GT3 championships around the world, and which has so far achieved 107 titles and 429 victories in 770 races. Now, the future of Ferrari in GT3 will be represented by this Ferrari 296 GT3, a revised version of the 296 GTB. Now, this model from the Maranello house will have a difficult mission of replacing the prolific 488 GT3, holder of 107 titles in its EVO and 2020 configurations. And with 429 victories and 770 races, this 296 GT3 will be the result of a collaboration of the prancing horse brand with Oreca. Now, the car will also mark the return of a 6-cylinder engine to the prancing horse racing car. As per technical regulation, this model will not be equipped with an electric unit. And the new car, which was developed in-house by Ferrari under a team led by Chief GT racing car designer Ferdinando Canizia, will be based on a 296 GTB, which is powered by a turbocharged V6 hybrid engine. The new Ferrari 296 GT3 will begin its development in the coming months, and its race debut is scheduled for 2023. Now, in the past few hours, the car manufacturer of the prancing horse has published the first images of this car in the form of a teaser that is shown here today. And recall that the road model is partially inspired by the last Ferrari overall winner of Le Mans, the 250 LM, which won the race in 1965. In short, certainly a very interesting novelty for the manufacturer from Maranello. But with that said, what do you guys think about the first teasers and look at the 296 GT3? And do you think it will be as successful as the 488 GT3 EVO? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we'll have a bigger discussion on the new 296 GT3. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, even my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. Guys, I appreciate that extra love and support. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch in case you guys want long sleeve shirts, stickers, pillows, coffee mugs, everything Ron's Rise. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. So everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.